One of the things we don't talk about as much, I think, when you're doing a tub refresh is that when everyone comes back into the bathroom and they see the new paint and the new colors, it does make people happy. Hi guys, welcome back. This has been such a journey and I'm ready to share the update and all the tips that will help you to refinish your fiberglass tub.
Hey guys, we're Daires and Akilah of DIY Power Couple.
And we're here to help you update your home
And save money by doing it yourself.
And if you're a new subscriber to DIY Power Couple, welcome to the family. So let's just take a quick review of what happened. You see the old tub color. We did some minor repairs. We prepped our tub and shower surround and refinished it ourselves. And we were able to freshen it to become nice and beautiful and white. And do you remember me saying this? The integrity of the tub and the material has held up so well. As far as the coloring, we do feel like there was some fading. I think what we'll do in probably a few months is just add another coat of the bright white, would just refresh it right back up. So that refinish project that was supposed to happen in several months, it actually took 2 more years. So now you can see how this tub looks. Even after 4 years, you can see that there still was no peeling or bubbling up on the surface. The only thing that we were really dealing with was the fading, the color kind of losing that bright white. So what hubby and I did is to take out the old topside paint and we gave it a good stir. And even though we were stirring it, it still had kind of like pieces of paint chips. I don't know how to explain it, but you see, it was like just particles of paint inside. And we weren't sure how to really soften that. When I looked back at the project before, I did see that that topside coat was a little bit thicker even then. What we decided to do is add a paint thinner to our topside paint. And we normally wouldn't do this, but we did it so that the paint could smooth and it would make it easier to put on. It allowed me to kind of move quickly. So I only had a, regular mask on. I didn't have my 3M heavy duty mask at the time. It made it much thinner and I was able to move much quicker. I was amazed at how easily it was to use this product. So this refresh DIY was done in a day.
After the paint cured, we replaced the kid stopper for about the 3rd time.
So you guys see that this product has lasted for 4 years, and this is how the tub still looks today. I love it, and I wanted to share it with you because it is an easy way to refresh a fiberglass tub. So if you're doing it for yourself, if you're in an RV or tiny home and you really have constricted space and you don't want to take out a whole tub and put a new one in, or you're a landlord and you want to give a bathroom a really nice refresh without having to switch everything out, this is great. This is a great product to use. I wanted to share this refinish with you because it is so cost effective. For under $50, you can make your whole tub and shower brand new. That's amazing. So I'm really glad that this product performed the way it did. We've done it on this bathtub and we've also done it on another bathtub. What I love about this whole project is that we were able to take a tub that really needed some love. We were able to repair it, touch up some of the cracks that it had, give it a whole new coat, a sealant that made it easier to clean. Our family used this tub daily, so this tub got wear and tear. And then we were able to even refresh it again very easily. So for us, having an old fiberglass tub did not stop us from being able to update it to make it look a little nicer. So if you have a fiberglass tub and you are looking to give it new life, we have links to the tub refinish videos below. You can also go to our DIY Power Couple Amazon page where you'll see the tub transformation list, and it'll have all the products and tools you'll need in one place. You can also see other DIY lists for your next home improvement project. You know, there are many reasons why you would want to refinish your tub. And for us, it was because it definitely was going to save us money from getting a whole new tub. We actually liked the fact that we had the option to refinish it and we didn't have to put it in a landfill. And one thing that was kind of important to us, being new DIYers and new homeowners, was that we didn't have to change the layout of the bathroom. We could keep it the way it was and still kind of make it look new and updated. One of the things we don't talk about as much, I think, when you're doing a tub refresh project is that when everyone comes back into the bathroom and they see the new paint and the new colors, it does make people happy. It does make you feel good when you go in there, and it can just brighten your day. You may ask, like, how did we prep just to refinish? And all we did for this was just to give it a good cleaning. We did not need to sand or add any primer. It can still look good for years, and a refresh is all you need. If you're making a decision to refinish your tub,
here are some tips for you to have a great result.
Have your safety gear ready with a respirator, goggles, and chemical gloves.
And use the primer before the topside paint.
Be sure to sand and clean your tub thoroughly before you apply any paint. If you're thinking about refinishing your tub and you've watched several videos on sprays and enamels and all different things, I hope this video has helped you to see how this product works, how it could work for you, and what you can expect from it years to come. Guys, thank you so much for spending time with me today. Be sure to like and share with your friends, and I'll see you next time.
If you want more, we have a tub playlist for you.
And check out all the videos in the series of our small bathroom makeover.
And remember, you can DIY too.